In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a VPN and set up the best VPN for your PC using Nordvpn. This guide will help you quickly and easily get your VPN up and running, ensuring that your online activities remain safe and private. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to head over to the Nordvpn website. You can do this by entering nordvpn.com/download into your web browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a big button inviting you to get the fastest VPN app. Go ahead and click on that. Next, to proceed further, you need to log into your account. If you already have an account, simply click on Log In. You'll find this option prominently displayed on the top of the home page. Enter your credentials if prompted, making sure your username and password are at the ready. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the full features of Nordvpn, as well as your existing subscription plans, if any. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account overview page. This is essentially your dashboard where you can manage your account details. Here you have a clear view of your subscription status and settings. From this dashboard, find the link or button that says Available Plans. It might appear on a menu or panel within your account section. Clicking it will take you to a list of subscription options. On the Available Plans page, you'll see a range of VPN plans suited for different needs. Take your time to review the options. Choose a plan that aligns with your internet usage requirements and budget. Typically, plans vary by duration and offered features, with longer plans offering better value for money. Once you've decided, click on the plan you wish to purchase. Confirm your selection and you'll be guided through the payment process. Follow the instructions, enter your payment information, and finalize your purchase. It's essential to closely follow the steps during checkout to ensure your payment goes through smoothly and all the details are accurate. By following these steps, you'll soon be able to enjoy the full benefits of Nordvpn on your PC, browsing safely and securely. Remember, keeping your activities private and your information secure is paramount in today's digital age. That wraps up our tutorial on setting up Nordvpn. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions, be sure to visit Nordvpn's Help Center for more detailed support. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.